Hello, and welcome to the demo of Xcelerator. It has 5 features that we will be presenting to you. The first one is object cloning, so let's start with that. This feature will enable you to clone any custom object completely, including its fields and validations, so let's try one here. Let's give a name and start fetching the details. It will pull all the information of the object and its fields. You can actually pick and choose which fields you want to clone. Now let's hit the clone here. It's cloning. Now it's saying cloning complete. Let's quickly verify this. Here you have the clone object available. Let's look at the second functionality quickly. So this is the record cloning feature, which enables you to clone the records from the application so you can select the object. Here, you'll be able to choose whether you want a single record to be cloned multiple times or multiple records to be cloned one time. So, I've selected the single record cloning. Here you can see multiple companies as my opportunity names. I can do a search as well. Now let me select the first one and do a cloning for, say, 2 times. I'm hitting the clone. Okay, it says done. Let's verify it. Alright, we got 3 records. 1 is the original and 2 are the clones. Then we have the feature Rapid Field Creation. This enables you to create multiple fields manually or via CSV file. For the demo, I am just choosing a couple of fields to be created. You can combine hundreds of fields. I am taking 2 fields, one as a text field and one as a number field. If you provide the wrong value, then it will not create the field and it will show an error. So let me try to create the field. Let's see what is created. It doesn't like the second one. The first one is fine because it has the correct values. Let's see whether it was actually created in an object. Here it is, Demo 1. Let's look at the other functionality, which is the customization report. This provides the details of your organization's list of customizations. As you can see here, you can get the details of all the customizations done. Custom fields, objects, visual force pages, templates. The interesting thing to note here is the lines of code that you have written. You can get the details of class names of code that you have written. Let's go and look at the last feature, which is the specific search or feature search. Here you can select any object